Oh my Kadvule Tamil movie summary. Anu, Arjun and Mani are best friends since childhood. During a party, Anu tells the other two of her father Polraj looking for a groom for her. She suddenly asks Arjun if he'd like to marry her, to which he agrees. 1 year later, Anu and Arjun are seen sitting in family court for final hearing to obtain divorce. A man sits behind Arjun and predicts that he won't get his divorce on that day as his wife will faint and be rushed to hospital. Then he provides him a visiting card and disappears. To Arjun's shock, all the events predicted by this strange man turn out true. Arjun rushes to the address mentioned on the visiting card. There, he encounters the man, who introduces himself as God. Arjun explains his problems to God. Arjun, after marriage, continues to treat Anu as a friend and things are smooth until he starts working in Polraj's toilet manufacturing factory as a quality control checker. Arjun hates this job, but gets used to it. But he is unable to see Anu as anything more than a friend and is totally bored by the monotony of his life. One day, he meets Meera, his school senior and childhood crush, who now works as an assistant film director. They strike up a friendship, with Meera encouraging Arjun to explore his passion for acting and requesting him to go to an audition. The audition goes very well. Later at a pub, Meera tells Arjun about her failed filmmaking attempts and a past breakup. Arjun consoles Meera and hugs her, but this is noticed by Anu, who is already sad at Arjun not reciprocating her feelings and assumes they are having an extramarital affair. Anu and Arjun have a nasty quarrel, which ends with Arjun asking for divorce. Back in the present, Arjun blames God for his current situation. So God gives Arjun a second chance to rectify the mistake with a golden ticket with 3 conditions. The ticket should always stay with Arjun. He should tell nobody about this ticket, and if he does, he will die. Accepting the conditions, Arjun grabs the ticket and time travels to the night where he accepted Anu's marriage proposal. This time, Arjun rejects Anu's proposal. Therefore, Anu decides to marry Matthew, the groom chosen by her father. Meanwhile, Arjun decides to pursue Meera, feeling that she is the right person for him. They strike a friendship, with Arjun removing all barriers which caused Meera's filmmaking attempts to fail in the original timeline. Arjun also decides to pursue acting as a career, and Anu manages to convince his parents on the same. Meera soon starts to reciprocate Arjun's interest for her. Arjun also gets a chance to perform in an audition and is selected for final audition. He goes to tell Polraj about this news and gets into a conversation with him. Polraj tells Arjun that he hails from a very backward village in Tirunelveli and his mother had died 50 years ago by snake bite due to lack of toilets. He then left village as a teenager with the mission of eradicating open defecation in his area. This led to him creating his latrine company and achieving his goal of bringing toilets to his native village. This revelation makes Arjun realize his mistake of ridiculing their business. Anu learns that Arjun likes Meera and there is fair chance that Meera might reciprocate his love coup. So Anu offers to help Arjun to propose Meera, asking him to make a video for Meera's upcoming birthday. As a result, they go on a bike ride to Kerala, which is Meera's home state. By this time, through various instances, Arjun had started to realize how sweet and loving Anu is, and how supportive Anu's father was. During the trip, Arjun realizes that he actually loves Anu. While on the Kerala trip, Arjun and Anu come across Meera's ex-boyfriend Krishna, who has also not gotten over her. Arjun decides to reunite Meera and Krishna. Meera reconciles with Krishna on her birthday. Arjun attends Anu's wedding with Matthew with a heavy heart. Unable to express his feelings for Anu, Arjun walks out of the church with Mani. At this juncture, they see Anu running out of the church without getting married. They meet her in their usual hangout pub, where she reveals her love for Arjun. But Arjun again refuses to marry her as he does not want to hurt her again. When confronted by Anu and Mani, he blurts out about the second chance and the golden ticket. Immediately the ticket flies away from Arjun, and in a bid to catch it, he gets hit by a lorry, killing him. Arjun finds himself with God once again and pleads for one final chance. This time God states that no more final chances will be given to him and sends him away, asking him to take care of his own problems. Then Arjun realizes that he is back in reality, on the day his divorce hearing is taking place. He rushes back to the court, where Anu is ready to give consent to the divorce. This time, Arjun refuses divorce and confesses his love to Anu. Anu accepts Arjun's love and reunites with him. It is revealed that God has given Arjun yet another chance.